To sell soy candles with unique scents on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products on this platform, which is etsy.com. So here just click on the sign in button to create your new account. Click on register, and if you already have an account, just go with sign in and you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard of this platform, as you can see. And here in your top right we have 5 buttons, starting with favorites. It's where you can find the products that you made your favorites. Then you have the updates, where you can see all of your updates. Then we have the shop manager, the your account button, as you can see, where you can check your purchases and reviews, messages, special offers, its registry, account settings, and sign out. Then you have the basket. It's where you can check the products that you saved or that you took to your cart. So what the button that is very important in these 5 is the shop manager. It's where you can set your shop, for selling your product. So let's start from the beginning, where we have the shop preferences. So here, let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. So here where we start creating our shop, we choose a language, the country, and the currency of the shop. So I'm just going to change the currency to the United States dollar, and then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to choosing a name for your shop. So I'm going to choose soy candles with unique scents as a name for my shop, and then I will adjust it to meet these requirements, which is between 4 and 20 characters. No unique characters like spaces or accented letters. So here it's more than 20 characters. So let's remove unique and soy candles with scents. So it's a great thinking, this name's available. Then click on save and continue. Then you proceed to stock in your shop, where you can create a listing, add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can. For now, you'll be able to edit this later. So here you will need to start with photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Also photos, use up to 10 photos to show your items most important qualities. As you can see, you need to add a photo, primary photo, every angle, variations, and so on and so forth. And also just follow these tips. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. So here just follow these tips to make the perfect photos for your product, and when you're done you proceed to uploading a video also for your product. So guys, just to inform you, these two are important. You can't just skip one of them. You need to add photos of your product, and also you need to add a video of your product. Otherwise you will not be able to save and continue to the next step, which is choosing how you will get paid. So just make sure to add a video which is less than 100 megabytes, and also follow these quick tips again. film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim for 1080p or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos to sell, just click on this link. Then you proceed to the listing details. You choose a title for your product. So I'm going to type soy candles with unique scents. Then you proceed to fill these about listing, who made it, I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. So let's go with I did, what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it, if it's made to order or recently. So let's go with recently, and then you choose the category of the product. You can type 2 or 3 word description for your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So let's go with again soy candles with unique scents. Let's go with the first one, and here if you want to fill all of these informations, if not, just skip them, they are optional. As you can see, all of the ones that you have optional in front of, you don't need to fill them unless you want, of course. Then we have the renewal options, automatic or manual, type, the type of the product, if it's a physical product or it's a digital product, as you can see. And here you will need to type a description for your product. So guys, to make this easier, just go to ChatGPT and give them a little bit of information about your product and let it write your description. Then if you want to add a new production partner, you can do it in this button. And also these 3 are optional, the section, tags and materials. Then you have the inventory and pricing. You choose a price for your product, and if you want to turn on the domestic and global pricing or turn it off, then you type the quantity that you have in that product and the SKU, as you can see, which is optional. Then you proceed to the variations. If you want to add a variation of your product, personalization, if you want to collect personalized information for this listing. Then you have the shipping settings. Here you have the shipping options, country of origin, origin postal code, processing time, standard shipping. So here you choose all of your shipping settings, and when you're done, you fill the return and exchanges settings. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.